ngayon, katulad ngayon, NCD CAD. Sabihin natin NCD CAD. May NCD CAD si Izanagi ngayon, di ba? Palitan natin to. Level 7. So, sa NCD CAD, iba yan eh. Pero again, I want you to think of si Shadow to, itong backtesting na yan, this is Shadow. Si Izanagi kasi is very controlled. So, ibig sabihin, kinokontrol talaga namin si Izanagi. The secret of Izanagi is we are controlling Izanagi 2.0. Itong automated. Because again, the reason is, malalaking account kasi nandito. So, pag pangit yung market, anong ginagawa natin? Nag-interview na tayo kay Izanagi pag pangit. So, ibig sabihin, bago pumasok si Izanagi, guys, very, very filtered na siya. Itong pinapakita ko sa inyo, full automated pa. 100% automated. O pag ginalaw pa ng admin yan, 200% mas lesser pa yung data ang nakikita niyo. So anong ibig ko sabihin? There are few points that I want you to get. Level 5 and above is very, very rare. Very, very rare Q4. So ibig sabihin, if may level 7 ngayon kay NCD CAD, especially Odd CAD, that's rare. Pwede ka talagang mag-trade ng mga support levels niyan. Pwede ka talagang bumomba ng support levels na pwede mong i-gauge kung hanggang ilang pips ika-cut loss mo. Pwede ka talagang bumomba to the point na, okay, kung bumomba ako nito at $8 per pip, hanggang sana abutin, sana ako magka-cut loss. Because what Izanagi did is it's trying to understand the market behavior and presenting this to you that between Q4 up to Q1, Q4 to Q1, look at the level 4 and above. It's very rare.